Welcome to my channel. This is me, Naveen, and today we're going to blog about how we transfer our data from iPhone to laptop. Yes, there is iTunes, but it's a little bit complicated. But I found one new app which you can download on iStore. It's a free app. So the app name is Document. So guys, we will not talk too much. We will go directly step by step. So before we continue our video, I just want to share with you guys, please like, share and comment. If there is any mistake, please comment so I can make next time nice maybe. Okay, so let's go to the app. So we go first the App Store. We write down here Documents, and here is the app. I already download this, so for me no need to download. Let's open it, and you will see this front page here. You will see here photo album. This is our phone gallery. Okay, the iTunes file is this is the file, and with whatever we transfer from laptop to iPhone, and then you can see down I download something, it's there. So guys, how it work? Let's go to the gallery. We go to the we will transfer this file to document. So we go options, we scroll down, there's a copy to documents, so we just click and it's direct copy to documents. So we will see this. I will show you the file. So this is the file, you can see okay, we receive this file here, and now I will show you how we will transfer this file to again photo gallery, our phone gallery. So we will move this file to the photos, which is our phone gallery. So we click there. So we will click and we move it to our photo gallery. You can see it's removed from here and it goes to the photo gallery. So let's check our photo gallery. Yes, this is here. So this is all about how we transfer our phone to document, and from document to the phone. Now we will learn how we transfer our file from phone to laptop. So let's go guys. I'm going to show you. So this is iTunes, and I will transfer some my pictures to my phone, and some file I will transfer from phone to my laptop. So let's open the iTunes first, and you will get this pop-up. Just cancel them. So you should have iTunes in your laptop, okay, and in your phone you should have the document app. So you will see here this icon came when we connect our iPhone to the laptop. So okay, so let's click on this icon, and we will click again file sharing, and you will see our app, whatever is in our mobile, and this document we click, and you will see on your right hand side this all file we have there. So I will drag this file to my laptop, but I think I have already this file. Okay, let's transfer from laptop to iPhone here. So you can see this file here I already got. It's very simple. So let's transfer from phone to laptop. Yes, you can see we received this file. So it's very easy, just drag to in and out, so you will get any file, even is pictures, even is video, even is music, any file you can transfer through this app, document app. So we just done, and just close it. That's it, and you already got in your mobile. I will show you now here whatever we transfer from laptop to mobile. We got this picture from laptop and this one. Easy to transfer guys. So this is all for today, and hope you like my video, and if there is anything you want to know more, please comment down, like, share and subscribe my channel, so you can see next time something new, tricks and ideas from me. Thank you very much to watch my videos.